Welcome to the Elevate and Innovate with Himanshu K. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to Elevate and Innovate with Himanshu K for enlightening episodes every week. Welcome to our podcast series on the Ramayana, one of the greatest epics of ancient India. Before we dive into the fascinating details, let's start with a brief overview of its story. The Ramayana, traditionally attributed to the sage Valmiki, is divided into 7 books, called Kandas. Here's a concise overview of all 7 Kandas. 8. Bala Kanda is about the book of childhood. The epic begins with the birth of God Rama, the prince of Ayodhya, to King Dasharatha, who is also known as the king of Ayodhya and father of Rama, and Queen Kausalya, one of Dasharatha's wives and mother of Rama. Rama, an incarnation of the god Vishnu, is known for his virtues and strength. He, along with his brother Lakshmana, helps the sage Vishwamitra defeat demons and wins the hand of Sita by stringing the divine bow of god Shiva. Though Ayodhya Kanda, the book of Ayodhya, Dasharatha decides to crown Rama as his successor. But Kaikeyi, influenced by her maid Manthara, demands Rama's exile and Bharat's crowning. Heartbroken, Dasharatha agrees, and Rama, Sita, along with Lakshmana leave for the forest. Bharat refuses to be king and rules as regent. Theme: Aranya Kanda, the book of the forest. Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana spend their exile in the forest. Sita is abducted by Ravana, the demon king of Lanka, setting off a chain of events leading to a war between Rama and Ravana. 4. Kishkindha Kanda, the book of Kishkindha. Rama meets Hanuman and allies with Sugriva to defeat Vali and regain his kingdom. Hanuman leads to Lanka, finds Sita, and reassures her of Rama's rescue. 5. Sundara Kanda, the book of beauty. Hanuman's journey and heroic acts in Lanka, including setting Lanka ablaze and finding Sita, are highlighted. 6. Yuddha Kanda, the book of war. Rama builds a bridge to Lanka and defeats Ravana in a great battle, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. 7. Uttara Kanda, the book of the aftermath. After their return to Ayodhya, Rama is crowned king. Sita, facing doubts about her chastity, undergoes a trial by fire and returns to the earth. Rama continues to rule justly. The Ramayana emphasizes virtues such as loyalty, duty, and righteousness. It's not just a story of gods and demons but a timeless tale that imparts moral and ethical lessons to its readers. Join us as we explore the rich tapestry of the Ramayana and uncover its profound wisdom. Thanks for tuning into Elevate and Innovate with Himanshu K. Together, let's ignite our curiosity, expand our minds, and journey towards a brighter future.